In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a room on SmartThings. If you want to keep your smart home organized, creating rooms in SmartThings is a simple but very helpful step. It makes it easier to group devices by space, like the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or any custom area you want. That way, when you open the app, your devices are easier to find and manage. To get started, open the SmartThings app on your Android phone or iPhone. If the app asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your Samsung account before continuing. Once you're in, you'll be ready to access your home setup. Next, tap the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where SmartThings shows the devices connected to your home, and it's also where you can manage the way everything is organized. If you already have rooms set up, you may see a room name near the top of the screen. Now look for the current room name or the room drop-down menu at the top of the app and tap it. This opens the room options. From there, select Manage Rooms. This section lets you view your existing rooms and make changes, including adding a new one. To create your new room, tap the plus or add button. SmartThings will then give you the option to choose a room name from a list, which is useful if you want something standard and quick. If the room you want isn't listed, select Custom and enter your own room name. Once you've made your choice, tap Next to continue. After that, you may have the option to customize the room by selecting a wallpaper or background. This part is optional, but it can make the app feel more personalized and can also help you quickly recognize different spaces at a glance. When you're happy with the setup, tap Save. Your new room has now been created. The last step is to add devices to it. Open the room you just made, then tap Add Device. From there, assign the devices you want to that room. This is especially useful for keeping related devices together, such as lights, plugs, sensors, or thermostats in the same space. One helpful thing to remember is that when you add a new smart device to SmartThings, the app may automatically ask you to place it in an existing room or create a new room during setup. So in many cases, you can organize devices as you add them. That's how to add a room in SmartThings.